Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to use a two-head embroidery machine. We're gonna learn how to install a logo and how to print a logo using the two-head embroidery machine. So first, this is your embroidery machine. It has different components. It has the needles and the threads. As you can see, this is our two-head machine. Also, you can see it has two heads, the first one and the second one. They are labeled 1 and 2, and we also have our screen here. So the first step that you do is to turn on your machine. That is the first thing that you do. You turn on your machine like that. Yes, so you turn on your machine and you wait for some minute for the screen to display. Yeah, you wait for some minute for the screen to display. You can see at the back we have different threads with different colors, so that is where you arrange them. For instance, in our machine it has 12 needles in each head, so you can see, so you arrange 12 for each head. Then we have our screen. Our screen is almost ready. This is our screen where it displays the logos. Remember, the screen is the one that controls everything that takes place in our machine. Yes, so it has opened. You can see there's a logo that we were working on, and then we have the heads. When you see there's a place where you can switch off your head if you don't want to use it. Yeah, this one. So for instance, if you want to use one head, you can switch on one head. But now for our case, we want to see how you can use the two heads. Thank you. So we go to our screen. This is the display of our screen. It is like this. So if you want to print a shirt, or you want to print a sweater, this is where you come. Then there's a feature here that looks like a folder here. So you press here, and when you press here, it brings you some different logos. So you have different logos, but also there's sometimes that you want to put a logo from a flash disk. For example, you've designed a logo from your flash disk and you've put in a flash disk. So you insert your flash disk. There's a place where you insert your flash disk at the back of your head, of your screen. So you put it there, and you put it there. You go to the same place. There's a place where you see a flash here. Now the disk read error, so the flash has a problem, but we're gonna fix it. So I'll change the flash, but basically when you want to get some logos from your flash, that is where you go. Now this is our logo. We have different logos here. You can scroll them page down and page up. You have different logos. Now you choose the logo that you want to use. For example, in our case, there's a logo here which is written little lamps. So what you do, you press that logo. If that is the logo that you want to use, you press the logo. Then you press this. There's a down here we have tick, and we have another button here, but this is to go back. But this, you press this one, then it gives you some option here. Then you press the tick, you go on. So now if for example you are printing or you're doing embroidery on a cape, you can rotate it here. You just rotate it here, but in our case we just want to print on a normal sweater. So this is our logo. So you just come and you press this key here. After that, there's another button here below this one. So you press this button. It brings you an option, change to embroidery confirmation status. So you press the tick, then you press again. It brings your logo here. Now, so what you've done, you've brought your logo to the screen. After that, now you need to set the colors according to the way you've arranged uh, your threads. So you organize or you arrange the colors according to the way you want, depending on the origination. So you press here, there's this button, you press it here, then it gives you an option. You can see here we have different numbers, number 3, 12, 8, and the rest. So what you do, you check the threads. For example, if you want number 3 in our machine, it is number 3, for example, it is a white color, so it means it will start with white color, then go to number 12. In our case, now in our case number 12 is black. Yes, so these are the way the colors will arrange themselves depending on how they have been originated. After you do that, you press that tick. Then after that, you frame your material. You can frame your material. We want to see how we frame. So you frame your material. You have the canvas and you have the frame. So we'll see how we can frame our. So we have framed our material. Now we want to print. In our case, we want to use one head. So what you do, you put off one head, then you come to where you framed. There's a red light here. It should always be at the center so that when you are doing your embroidery, you cannot go outside. Now if you want it to be on the center, you go to the screen and you see it means that the number that comes here, this is the stitch or the thread that it will be used to frame that material. So you come here and on your screen you press this button here, you press this one, then you can move your material where you want it so that you can center. So you center it, then after it is at the center, the next step that you do is to press the start button, and that is how you start doing the embroidery. So thank you very much. In our next video we will be showing you different designs or different ways in which you can work on different prints. Thank you very much.